Okay, welcome to the next Blender tutorial, guys. So what I'm going to do is to start off with, because we're making a little table, I'm going to get rid of the default cube. We're going to go and add a cylinder, and then I'm just going to go ahead and scale this down. Right click, shade smooth, and then I'm going to scale this out. We're going to press G, bring this up. And then the next part, this is a really simple table. Let's go ahead, go to materials, new, and then I'm going to do black with this. If you haven't already, change your render engine to cycles. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn the roughness up so it's a nice clean kind of tone, and then we'll add, and we'll go cube. Let's make some legs for this real quick. I'm just going to scale these down. Let's press G, bring this up. I'm going to go ahead with 7 to heaven. Let's go with the wireframe so we can see the legs. And then we're going to go G, bring this up to this part. And then Shift D, G, bring this down to this part. Click both of them. And then we're going to go Shift D, duplicate these, leave them where they are. R for rotate, and then we'll press 90. To go on the opposite side. So we can then bring the actual table down to the legs as well. So we now have this nice little table going on. I'm just going to press G to bring this back so the lighting's a little better, and then we're going to change the legs to the black material so that this is all uniform. Change that one as well, and there we have it, a nice little table that you can build for a nice little scene. Thank you for watching, guys. I will see you in the next one. Bye.